ZigzAD fully automates remarketing. 35% of the purchases made online occur days, weeks, or even months after the buyer has first seen the product on the seller's webpage. Have you ever seen a specific product following you all around the web after browsing an online store? I'm sure it happened. It happens quite a lot. We call this dynamic retargeting, and its purpose is to bring visitors back to the product and convince them to buy it. Now let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm an online marketing specialist with a rich background in digital advertising and web analytics. 3 years ago, I started Advertise, which shortly became one of the top online advertising agencies in Romania. Last year, we became a Google Premier Partner and managed $1 million in online advertising budget. However, like most advertising agencies, we were very inefficient. We created and managed all of our campaigns manually. Now let me give you an example of one client, Blonix.com, a Canadian store which contracted us to create and manage the Shopify retargeting campaign. To do that, we had to manually inject tracking codes into every single page of the website, create data feeds with all the products, create the advertising account and set up the billing profile, and then create the campaigns, the targeting audiences, and generate the banner ads. This is a very time-consuming process, and this, of course, it increased the cost for the client. But that was just the setup. Running a campaign means much more work, including constant bid adjustment on age, location, or placement, and A/B testing for the banner ads. This means hundreds of dollars billed to the client, and small e-commerce stores cannot afford that. But fortunately, most of these tasks can be automated. ZigzAD fully automates remarketing. With a click of a button, ZigzAD installs thousands of tracking codes, generates the data feeds, and a set of beautifully designed banner ads, and then it automatically launches the retargeting advertising campaign. We offer to millions of websites a service that is currently available to just a few who can afford paying advertising agencies hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In a beautifully designed dashboard, the user can monitor his campaign performance. Running and managing campaign with ZigzAD is automatic. ZigzAD optimizes campaigns in real time, adapting dynamically to any change in cost or conversion. Our algorithm promotes only the best-selling products, eliminating the underperformers and significantly increasing the return in ad spend. We do everything that the agency does, but instantly, with better results and at a fraction of the cost. Our product targets small to medium-sized online stores. There are millions of stores built on Magento, Shopify, or WooCommerce. We offer our service via their app store, easily reaching thousands of clients, which we all charge a small monthly fee for managing their campaigns. We launched in beta last week on Shopify. Several stores use ZigzAD to create and manage their retargeting campaigns. The results were amazing. On average, 250% return in ad spend, which will increase over time as ZigzAD continuously analyzes the data and optimizes the campaigns. We are a very experienced team with more than 20 years of combined experience in software development and digital marketing. We met 5 months ago at the Risky Business Accelerator and have been working on ZigzAD ever since. This is going to be the shortest demo you've seen in a while. Our product is fully automated, leaving to the user just one action: recharge the account when the money is out. Using our very intuitive dashboard, the user can monitor his campaign performance and track relevant metrics like click, advertising spend, and revenue generated by the ZigzAD campaigns. We are ZigzAD, and we make remarketing accessible to everyone.
Thank you, Michal. So I know you just started, but how many customers do you have, and do they pay for the solution, and how much?
Right now we have a private beta. Yeah, but we tested the algorithm with our clients in the agency before. So.
But in the future, how much will you charge for that? Or? you already know about the pricing, or it's
Yes,
something you want to
we
find
have-
out now?
Yes, we will find out, but will be a flat fee around $10. Similar?
$10
Yeah.
per month.
Yeah. So it's
Okay.
much lower than agencies, much lower, you know.
Have you looked in the market? Are there any competitors? How do you differentiate?
Yeah, there are some competitors. Some of them don't make, didn't make actually apps for people without any technical knowledge, as we did. Yeah, and we had some custom algorithms which promotes only the best-selling products. So this is a very big functionality.
How hard it is to actually, how hard would you say it is for another company to build something like this and compete with you?
It depends on the experience of the specialist.
I mean, is there something that you can do and nobody else can in terms of such a system?
I don't know, probably they could do it, but they should have a guy like me who knows very good the system.
The experience.
Yeah, because we had a lot of workarounds to make that happen.
Are you familiar with Paradox Labs? Pennsylvania?
No.
Just look it up.
Okay, thanks.
Automated retargeting.
Okay, yeah, thanks. Okay.
Is that it? Super!